You are saved by grace, not by effort, not by perfection, not by how well you performed yesterday. Grace, a word that sounds gentle but carries the weight of eternity. Because grace is not something you earn. It is something you receive. It is the love you did not deserve, the mercy you could not buy, the forgiveness you did not achieve. Grace is God stepping into your brokenness and saying, I will carry this. It is God looking at your weakness and responding not with rejection, but with redemption. You are saved by grace, not because you were good enough, but because God is. Not because you reached him, but because he came to you. This is where so many misunderstand the heart of faith. They believe salvation is a reward. They believe it is a result. They believe it is a payment for obedience. But grace is not payment, it is gift. A gift is not negotiated. It is not bargained for. It is not proven worthy. It is offered. And faith is how you receive it, not with certainty, not with perfect understanding, not with flawless belief, but with trust. Faith is not having all the answers. It is choosing to lean into God when you do not. Faith is not confidence in yourself. It is surrender to him. It is saying, I cannot save myself. I cannot fix this alone. I need you. And God responds, not with disappointment, not with distance, not with delay, but with grace. This is why this verse matters so deeply, because it removes performance from the equation. You do not have to impress God. You do not have to prove your worth. You do not have to clean yourself up first. Grace meets you where you are, not where you pretend to be, not where you wish you were, but where you actually stand. And it does not leave you there. Grace is not permission to stay broken. It is power to be restored. It does not excuse sin. It heals it. It does not ignore wounds. It binds them. It does not pretend everything is fine. It makes things new. You are saved by grace through faith, which means salvation is not a transaction. It is a relationship, not a checklist, not a contract, not a ladder, a relationship. And relationships are built on trust, not performance. Grace says, you are loved before you change. Faith says, I believe you. And in that exchange, something eternal happens. You are not saved because you were strong. You are saved because he is. You are not saved because you were faithful. You are saved because he is. You are not saved because you were worthy. You are saved because he chose you. This truth humbles the proud and comforts the broken. Because if salvation were earned, the strong would win and the weak would be lost. But grace flips the story. The weary are welcomed, the ashamed are restored, the lost are found. No one arrives boasting. Everyone arrives grateful. This is not your own doing, not your achievement, not your success, not your spiritual resume. It is the gift of God. And gifts are not repaid. They are cherished. If you try to repay grace, you turn it into wages. If you try to deserve mercy, you turn it into debt. But God did not come to collect. He came to rescue. Grace does not demand that you climb. It reaches down. Grace does not ask for proof. It offers promise. Grace does not wait for perfection. It begins with surrender. So if you have been living exhausted, trying to earn what was always meant to be given, this verse is an invitation to rest. You are not saved by how well you prayed. You are not saved by how long you believed. You are not saved by how strong your faith feels. You are saved by grace through faith. Faith is simply opening your hands. Grace is God filling them. And in that moment, you are no longer defined by your past. You are no longer imprisoned by your failure. You are no longer measured by your mistakes. You are made new. Not because you fixed yourself, but because God restored you. This is not a small truth. It is the center of everything. Because without grace, faith becomes pressure, and without faith, grace becomes distant. But together, they form the doorway to life, not a life of striving, not a life of pretending, not a life of endless proving, a life of belonging, a life of being held, a life of becoming. So when you doubt your worth, remember grace. When you feel unqualified, remember grace. When you fall, remember grace, because you are not saved by how tightly you hold on. You are saved by how tightly God holds you, and He does not let go.